There's a chair here.
There's
here,
a chair.
should we share?
Yeah, we can share.
We're going to sit for this
Yes, we are. All right, next up. Here, let me move my Primula over here real fast. Stunning height, which I love adding height to a tablescape or any sort of decor. This is something that was just reduced today. It's the first day at the, nope, this is the wrong card. This is the set of 2 pedestals. You're getting 2 of them at a price of $18. $3.60 brings it home on your Easy Pay. It ships for free. It is K85423. Now we have all of your favorite Temp-tations patterns.
Yes.
We have Old World. We have floral lace.
Yes.
We have woodland. Which we never have woodland.
Never. You can't
okay, we're going to take you through it. We're going to start with, what are we starting with, Jonathan? Old World. We have Old World in blue, 150 remain.
Wow.
Old World in confetti, 250. And Old World in green, which we're going to show you on the set in just a moment. Now for floral lace. I haven't done Temp-tations in so long. This is so fun. This is your black and floral lace, blue and floral lace, cranberry and floral lace, and red and floral lace. So if you're a collector, you know. Okay, woodland. My favorite. We have it in buttercream.
Love.
We have it in gray. And we have it in slate blue. I am shocked to tell you right now that we have it in woodland white.
Hurry up.
We're having an issue with our images. We're just showing you one of each different design.
Sure.
And then we have bee leaf.
Yes.
In buttercream. Well, that one's showing up. And in white. I didn't know you did bee leaf in white.
In white, yes.
Okay.
All right.
This is stunning display. This is height, this is decor, but this is also the stoneware.
Yeah, so this is, again, one of those pieces that straddles between kitchen and home decor. So when we first designed this, we wanted to give you elevation off your table, which when you look in all the magazines, that's what you see, right? All the hand painting that you know and love. So this can now be your shrimp cocktail bowl. It can be your individual charcuterie, crudité, but it's a pedestal. So whatever you want to put in it, the fact is it gets it up off of your table. So let's talk about the different examples, right? The Luminara candles that we're all obsessed with here.
Know.
Are you ready for Thanksgiving? Do you have what you need to set your table? Oh, thank you so much.
Let's really set the mood
what I love
here.
about these. They're not too tall.
No.
They just sit a few inches off your table.
Right.
This is that yellow buttercream in the woodland right there.
Oh, this is my, you know I collect woodland.
I know, me too.
But the white. And
I
it
do
always
all the
sells out.
colors.
Do you?
And I mix and match.
I do a little gray in there.
Try to mix and match. It's so much fun.
Okay.
I could see getting 4 of these. This is how you're going to layer your candles down the center of your table.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe you want to do some mini pumpkins and gourds, every other one, right? So maybe one's a candle. You get the idea.
I love that idea.
Right?
Beautiful. Okay.
And impossible to find the right size that fits the Luminara candles.
I know.
These do perfectly,
What are
by
these,
the way.
4.4 inches in diameter?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Love that. And then look what we did here. Just a little cookies for Santa, or maybe it's Christmas morning and you're coming down and you just need something with your hot chocolate to put your marshmallows and your little, crushed peppermints.
Candy canes.
See how sweet that is? Portion control.
Is it? That's a lot of, what are those chocolates in
This
there?
might not be portion control.
If that's your portion control, I'm coming over.
This is portion, right?
Yeah.
I have to say, But I love these. If you want to layer these into charcuterie boards,
so
do your
beautiful.
olives, right? Do your cube cheese, things like that.
We had that great charcuterie board. We started the show with the Sergio Bucciarelli charcuterie board.
Oh, you did?
It would look perfect
with this.
that, with maybe a little squirrel brand in there.
And this might be the only items that we have that has all 4 patterns in it, to tell you the truth. So, and then look at this, just maybe little individual desserts right here. And then when we come up here, I love that. Like maybe you just want even a higher height. Great. Get a mason jar, put fresh flowers in here.
Pretty.
And you have centertaining done perfectly.
I feel like it's so rare that we have all the choices available. We're going to start off with the old world. This is the set of 2, because remember, you're getting 2 at this $18 price.
Crazy.
I know, right? This is going to be the green old world. If you're a collector, add this in. We have 2 other choices in old world. We have it in blue, and we have it in confetti. Now we do have it in, what's next, Jonathan? What do you want to do next? Let's do floral lace. So this is the floral lace in blue. I want to show the inside of that real fast. There's the inside
How
of that blue
gorgeous.
floral lace.
Look at that
Gorgeous.
beaded detail. Looks stunning.
It's gorgeous. We also have it in black. I love the black floral lace. There's the black.
Yeah, toile.
Okay, we don't have an image of it, but we do have it in the cranberry, and we do have it in red.
Great for the holidays.
Oh,
right?
So pretty.
Yes.
Now, this is the buttercream woodland that you can see right here.
That wood
This
grain
is the
design,
woodland
right?
in the gray.
Yes.
This is the gray right here. We also have it in slate blue and woodland. I'm shocked to say that we still have white.
I cannot really.
I
pick
can't
these
believe
up.
it.
This is all year long.
This
right?
is it all year?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then we also have the Believe, which is so adorable. This is the white. And we also have it in the buttercream Believe.
The little bee and the honeycomb accents.
Does that Believe in the buttercream match back to the buttercream
It
and
does.
the woodland?
You know, we're a family of colors,
So
so,
now
we
it's like a
use the same
texture story.
Pantone, absolutely, with all of our patterns and our colors. But there's literally a pattern and a color for every size home,
Yeah.
every lifestyle, every color in your house. And you know what I love about this? It doesn't matter how big or small your house is, right?
Right.
We all love to set a beautiful table or island or kitchen table.
Exactly. What a great gift, like a hostess gift.
Oh, like to
because
give this all together?
anyone can do anything they want with it. You receive this and you interpret it how you like. You interpret it as a candy dish. You interpret it as a charcuterie board. I put
Totally.
my olives in it. You interpret it like perfect for my flameless candles. It really fits into anyone's decor. Did you just stack that, Lisa Lasore?
Yes.
I like it stacked too.
See, you can
Okay.
stack.
Look
I
at
mean,
that.
this is the thing. Temptations is so much fun. You
love
get
it.
it home, and you just you go to town.
You go
right?
to town. All right, over 500 sets have been picked up. I'm not shocked to say you're loving the white woodland. Just save one for me, will
I know.
you?
Just get the white
All right,
woodland now
so
while
we
you
have
can.
all of the patterns. I have it in the woodland. We have it in the old world. We have it in the Believe. And we have it in the floral lace. So we have other colors on QVC.com. It's free shipping. It's $3.60, and that's for two of them. K85.
Wait, I just thought of another idea.
Tell me.
Put my jewelry in it next to the sink. Right?
Yes. You can do a little soap dish on
Little
the other side.
Cotton balls. Potpourri.
Potpourri.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Put your little soap
I could do this
dispenser
one
in
all
there.
day. Just
Right.
there's one all day.
Totally.
That's all we need.
100%. That's it. Yep. Here, I'll move these to the end, okay?